Well, this is why I haven't had time for a Mini. Another one of my hobbies. Bought this Beta Techno a couple of days ago. Needs restoration. Overall, it's not too bad. This sort of thing needs changing. I'm not sure that's original. I think that's an aftermarket part anyway. All the rubbers gone. But I think I can probably buy a piece of foam and use this as a template. Put a new piece in there. Graphics are gone. But luckily enough though, the mudguard is not split. Most of them are split. Everything wants a good clean up. I'm going to jet wash it in a minute. These normally break on the Technos, and these are actually these are solid. Because I've seen a few of them where they've been broken and they've been welded back on. Sprocket looks all right. Tyres are knackered. Tyres are knackered. Return spring's gone on now. Wants a good degrease. All the graphics need changing. They're gone. Paint the engine. These are battered, but that's the idea. They are there to protect the forks. But so I might be able to. I think I'll be able to do something with them. I'm going to clean the wheels, give them a good scrub, jet wash everything in a minute. Mudguard actually not broke. Thought it was broke when I first got it, but no, it's not broke. It's just scuffed up. But I mean, you expect this to be scuffed up. That's what it's there to do, protect what's behind it. But I'm going to give it a proper jet wash in a minute. I'm not sure what to do about the exhaust. Going to have a chrome. So I can't do much with that. I could probably black it up to about there with some heat resistant paint. Look at the state of these. It's all glue. Someone's put gaffer tape on here. I rode it around the garden just now. It runs lovely. I want to get a new one of these. It's not returning. I like them to return. If you fall off, you want it to shut off. It has got electrics, so that's one thing. Never a fan of left-hand kick starts, but 2 kicks and this starts. So yeah, I'm going to give it a jet wash in a minute. I've got it on a piece of wood because the side stands on these always make them lean over too far. But overall, it's not a bad bike. I was into trialing a long time ago. My dad bought in 1970, I think it was 77, 78, bought a brand new Bultaco. And I was about 14, 15 at the time. And let's just say I never went to school much after that. He bought it just before the 6 weeks holidays. And I used to just go to school, get my registration mark, go back to the house, get the Bultaco out, go straight out the fields. And we had a load of woods near us, and I spent a lot of time on that Bultaco. So, and I was going to buy a Montesa Bultaco like from the 1970s, and then my son bought a gas TXT Pro. I really never knew much about them modern bikes, but he let me have a go on it. God, what a difference! I mean, it had the same, the Bultaco I would say would have the same sort of torque, power and the rest of it. But the gas was so light. It was like 20, 25 kilos lighter. So I bought a gas TX Pro, and I had it for about 9 months, and someone stole it. So I haven't had a trials bike for probably about a year. And then I bought my grandson a PW80, and we've got a fields we can go to. It's like a woods and a quarry. Pay the guy 150 quid a year, and you can just go there and ride. But I wanted to go up there, you know, grandson, and my son's probably going to get one of these as well. If not, we can share this, because I soon get worn out after a couple of sections. Let someone else have a go. But yeah, it runs lovely. So this is restoration project. I want this looking like new when it's finished. And yeah, so I might have to do a colour scheme change, because the badge kit, the sticker kit, they're very difficult to get hold of. These are this is a 97, and the guy that rents out this field, it's not a field, there's woods and a quarry. The guy that rents that out, he's got he used to import parts of Beta Technos, or Betas in general, and he said to me he's still got some sticker kits, but I think he said he's only got a sticker kit for the Dougie Lampkin replica, which was might not go with this colour scheme. I think the Dougie Lampkin replica on the night he said he's got the 98 ones. I think they had a black front mudguard and a white or silver rear mudguard. So I might have to go that route. I'm not really big on making something look newer than what it is, but if I can't, that sim sticker's not so bad, but I want it to look good, and if I have to change the sticker kit and it don't go with the colours, that's there, I might have to change it all. But yeah, a nice bike. I mean, if everyone wants to get into trialing cheap, these 90s bikes, I mean, this will outperform what I can do, undoubtedly. I mean, this was I know it's Dougie Lampkin was riding it, but in 1997, 98 and 99, they won the world championships 3 years in a row. So there's nothing wrong with these bikes. And they're giving them away now, because everyone wants the newer stuff. But if you just want a cheap bike to, do a bit of trialing on, unbelievable. Gas TXT Pro's almost identical, same sort of thing, right hand kickstart. So you might want to go for it on them, because they're really good as well. But this is what come up local to me. So this is what I've got for now. Yeah, so I'm going to do a couple of videos on restoring this. But for now, I'm just going to jet wash it. So I'll leave it there, guys, and watch this space.